Hi everybody. So today we're going to try and make a slip knot. Grab the long string of yarn, put it over the short end, and you're going to make a little cross right here in the middle. Hold that little cross, and then put your fingers right in the middle of the loop and grab the long string of yarn and pull it through. And that should give you a slip knot. And if you pull the long string, you can close it. You can insert your hook and pull the long string and pull it tight. And then after this, you can start making a chain. Hold the little knot right here, and then hold a little knot right here. Then put your hook underneath the long string of yarn, then pull it through. Then do it again, hold it, put it underneath the string of yarn, and then pull. And make sure you're not making it really tight, the chain, because later on when you're making your stitches, you're gonna go back in one of these, and if it's too tight right here, you're not gonna be able to put your hook right in there to make, like, let's say this is a half double crochet like that. It's gonna be too hard, you're gonna have to push it in. So try to make them a little loose. And that's a slip knot. And if you want to undo it, you just pull the long string and it's done.